How to change country region on Samsung phone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to change a country or region on your Samsung phone. Whether you're moving to a new country, want to access apps or services available in a different region, or just want to adjust your settings, we've got you covered. Changing the country or region on your Samsung phone isn't super difficult, but it does require a few steps, so let's jump right in. First, we'll change the region through your Samsung account. This is the main account used for services like Samsung apps, Galaxy Store, and other specific region-specific content. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Now tap on Manage Accounts and select your Samsung account. In the Samsung account settings, simply tap on Profile. You should see the country region option. Tap on it and select the country or region you want to change to. And that's all for your Samsung account region. Next, if you want to change the country or region in your Google Play Store, this is useful if you want to access apps, content, or services specific to a different country. To change the region in the Google Play Store, open the Google Play Store app on your Samsung phone. Simply tap on the three horizontal bars and go to Settings. Under that, go to General and Account and Device Preferences. Under Country and Profiles, you should see an option to switch to a different region. Select the country you want. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to update your payment method for that country, as you'll need to use a local payment method. Once you've updated your country in the Play Store, you'll be able to download region-specific apps and access content available in that area. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country or region settings on your Samsung phone.